Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Saturday today, and I thought I'd do some videoing, especially outside, because the workmen aren't around making building noises. I've just been out and sorted the chickens and checked all around, as well as in the nest box. I've checked all around in case they're going to start laying somewhere else, and there's no eggs, but I don't expect any until April, so it's still a good thing to get in the habit of checking other places for eggs, because it might encourage them to get broody if the eggs stay there too long. But I've been out to sort the chickens, and while I'm sorting them, Mason still isn't quite used to them. So he's got his own little log box that he sits in and watches me. Polytunnel saga. We've decided what we're going to do, and ordered the stuff for it, and we should be able to do it, when permitting, next weekend. I'm going to take the top half of the cover and the cover around the doorways and that off and replace it with like a clear plastic so I can see out, because I have noticed since the wind has blown all this out, it does make my garden look bigger from my kitchen window, so I quite like that effect. So that's why I'm going for clear plastic instead of the green plastic, but I'll have a lot of this green plastic left, which I've got other ideas and plans for. Yeah, my creative mind has been going nuts the past week, but that's as it is at the moment. It's still a junk pile, the rest of the garden, but still only mid-March, so it's not a problem. I'll be able to come out here next weekend, weather permitting, do this, and then it'll really start kicking in, because then if it's raining, I can still be sorting things out in there. I've got to get some more compost as well. Okay, see you soon. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.